Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are camping at the beautiful Clausen Spring Recreations in Barnes County, North Dakota. Let's go ahead and set up our tents and other things that we need for this camping trip. Did it teach me how to do this?
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Good thing it went the other way.
Yeah, wait for it to fill up. Okay, go ahead. Need some water.
We are cooking pork chop for lunch. That's our tent. Yeah. this is our brunch. That's our tent, you guys, and as you can see, there's a solar panel and we're using the sun to power that power source over there to help us with our cooler. I'm actually charging my power bank too. It is very handy. It's very convenient. As long as the sun is shining, we have a very good cooler. But when the sun is out, if it's cloudy, that's okay. We have other power source we can use that babe build up. Batteries. Just batteries. So we can use that when the sun is out. Hey guys, we are out here flying our drone so we can share with you a better view of this Clausen Springs Recreation. It's actually pretty big. We are going to explore the spring. There's like a big log over here. And careful. Oh, that's pretty cool. Careful. Are you looking for crawfish? Do you even catch them? I thought you were gonna like need something to...
You just lift up that rock right there.
This one?
Yeah, that might be. No, the other one.
This?
No.
This?
No, the little one.
This?
No.
This?
There. And underneath it?
Nothing.
They like to wedge under rocks.
I'm pretty good at this. Like in the Philippines, We look for crabs in the rocks,
Oh.
like little crabs. Pretty good at that. So this is the spring, and we're gonna walk a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, there's little fish. I'm gonna show you guys our tent, our campsite. That's our campsite over there. Hey, doggies. What? Yeah, kinda.
I was thinking I could get up over here, but I might have to go back to that log.
Why? Oh, because it is pretty steep. It is. Be careful, because that's mossy and slippery. Oh my god, it scared me. But that log will help you. What? This is getting serious. Oh, there was a frog! There was a frog! It jumped. I think you step on it. Okay, it's my turn. Yay! And we're back to our tent. How was it, babe?
That was a little rock adventure.
Our little rock adventure, literally.
Not much of a spring, but that's what we had.
Literally a little rock adventure. That's our tent. We have an electric fan over here. We'll peek inside. That's our bed. Oh, we have a doggy bed. And that's our air bed. Nothing much really. And we're gonna start a fire here later. I think I'm gonna need a drink, but let's check what snacks we have. So we have a bag here of snacks. So we have piatos, mangwan, some sweet corn, some M&Ms, nagaraya, babe's favorite, and then we have some triple. And we also have Dot's home-style pretzels, garlic parmesan flavor. So I feel like I'm gonna eat sweet corn, something sweet, but I'm gonna grab a cold water because I am thirsty. See that? Pretty cold. And I'll put this back here. Babe, can you open the cooler? Thank you very much. There we go. Ah, babe, it's stinky. Made it here already. I'm looking.
How can you even smell it under all the smell?
That's how stinky it is.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
See? Babe is making us coffee. We're waiting for that water to boil. We're kind of messy here, but we're thriving. Who cares? Here's our coffee.
the next day.
This is our breakfast, guys, for day 2. Rice, fried egg, and bacon. And that's our view. It's very relaxing. River flow sound. It's very, very nice. Also scared of the water. Come on. Okay, let's clean you. Look. He's just not even acting anymore. Okay, wait a minute. Dogs are so happy to explore. Oh, Salsa's busy eating. Just like, hey, hang on. Come on, Sauce, because there's a lot of mosquitoes. Come on, Sauce, move along. You're gonna slow down, Salsa. Hello. It's actually very nice. Yeah, that's true. she's inside a thing.
Okay.
And that's the end of our camping vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.